So today I will be teaching you a special recipe which I have termed the natural insulin recipe. So this recipe actually works like insulin for your blood sugar levels. So if you know you want to achieve results like this, if you know you want to take your blood sugar level with this from this to something like this in 24 hours, stay with me today because I will be teaching you step by step how to go about this. This recipe is made from ingredients that you can easily find in the local markets around you. You can find it can be in your kitchen already, maybe you already have it. So all you just have to do is to pay close attention, and before you even start to watch this video, because this video took a lot from me. So you want to encourage me by giving it a huge thumbs up so that the algorithm can push it to as many people as possible, especially Nigerians battling blood sugar issues, so that they can gain from this video. Not only that, ensure that you share this video. Make sure you share it on all your platforms so that it can reach enough and lots of people that will benefit from it. So the reason I called or I named this particular recipe the natural insulin is that it works for emergency situations. Maybe you have, when you present to the hospital with a high blood sugar reading that is higher than normal, the first line of action, the first line of treatment for them in that case is insulin, because they want to help you bring down that blood sugar fast. But if you don't want to go that route, of course, on this channel, what I preach is dietary and lifestyle modification. So this is one recipe you can use in 24 hours that is going to help you bring down those blood sugar levels. I will be talking about each of the ingredients that I'll be using in this recipe and why they would work to help you lower your blood sugar levels. So this is an emergency recipe, something that you can easily run to if you don't want to resort to insulin or to meds and you want to bring down your high blood sugar naturally in 24 hours. So let's get into my kitchen. Follow me into my kitchen as I show you how to make this natural insulin smoothie. Let's go.
So here are her ingredients. They are just seven ingredients that you can find around you. The first one is African spinach, or the one we call a tete. It's also called, I think, amaranth leaves. Then we are also making use of green apples. We are going to be using ginger, cucumber, homemade unsweetened soy milk, the one we call soya milk. I made it myself. I'm going to attach the video of me boiling it here. So I made it myself. It's not sweetened. I didn't add any sweetener, no sugar. I just made it plain that way. Then the next ingredient we are using is chia seed. Chia seed, you can get it from those habokis, those Hausa people that sell all types of spices all around you if you are in Nigeria. Then if you are abroad, you can get it in supermarkets. You can also get it in supermarkets or order online if you are in Nigeria also. Then next is flaxseed. Same thing as flaxseed. Both flaxseed and chia seed, you can get it from those Hausa selling spices, or you order online or you get it in supermarkets. So that's just it. These are the seven ingredients we are using. Then these are our measuring spoons, measuring containers. So before I get into the video, the making of the insulin smoothie proper, let me just share with you briefly the benefits of these seven ingredients and why they will help bring your blood sugar levels low quickly. The first one is the African spinach, which is high in fiber. And I've told you a lot of times on this channel that the work of fiber is to help slow down the absorption of sugar and to improve insulin sensitivity. It also contains what is called thylakoids, which can help reduce cravings and promote a feeling of fullness. It keeps you full. Then when we talk about green apples are also rich in fiber and malic acid, which helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. They also have a lower glycemic index compared to other foods, which means that they cause a slower and more gradual rise in your blood sugar levels. Then ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and also help with glucose uptake in your muscle cells. So ginger also contains compounds that may help inhibits the enzymes that are involved in the metabolism, that is the breaking down of carbohydrates. Then cucumbers have a low carbohydrate content and a high water content, so it is a great food for managing blood sugar. It also contains fiber and various vitamins and minerals that support your metabolic health. Then when we talk about homemade unsweetened soy milk, it is low in carbohydrates, it is high in protein and healthy fats. So the protein and fats that it contains help to slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Then chia seeds are very good for you because they contain soluble fiber. So this type of fiber will form a gel-like substance, a substance that looks like gel in your gut, and it will help slow down the absorption of sugar. So this is what helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Then lastly, flax seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber that help regulate your blood sugar by slowing down the rate at which your body absorbs glucose, and they have also been shown to improve glycemic control and reduce insulin resistance. So you can see that this is a powerhouse smoothie. Our ingredients are carefully chosen to help you achieve the result. That is why when you drink this smoothie, you cannot but achieve great results from it. So let's go to the making of our smoothie proper now. So I first pour my unsweetened soy milk into my blender as the liquid, followed by my African spinach. Then I went ahead to slice my cucumbers, followed by my green apples, then ginger, flaxseed, chia seeds. So just cover and blend. Then you repeat this process as many times till you exhaust all your ingredients. And our smoothie is ready. Just simple like that. As simple as ABC. So I was able to get 7 of 75 cl bottles from what I made today. So you can just keep it in your refrigerator and drink up within 3 days maximum. And if you are making for one day because you want to bring down your blood sugar immediately, just make like 3 bottles. You drink one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. And I can assure you, you are going to testify. When you are doing this, don't eat any other food. This is throughout that they make sure that this is what you drink throughout morning, afternoon, and evening. And by the time you check your blood sugar the following morning, is to have dropped, and it's going to surprise you.
So thank you so much for watching today's video. If it has helped you, if you have gained something, which I know and believe that you have, kindly give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on other insightful videos like this from this channel. And I will see you in my next video.